Good morning, student. Today I want to explain 3.1 The Plate of Gold, written by James Henry Leigh Hunt, is better known as Leigh Hunt. He was an English poet, essayist, journalist, editor, writer, as well as a prominent figure of a romantic movement in England. He wrote poetries of varied forms such as narrative poems, short lyrics, sonnets, and poetic dramas. His works are famous for their expressive descriptions as well as rhythmic and soulful qualities. Patriotism, love for nature, and friendship were often the themes of his poems. Okay, now see the plate of gold. Actually, through this poem, James Henry Leigh Hunt aims to make people understand that service towards mankind is true service towards God. Only a man who loves all human beings alike can love God to the fullest. Okay, now let's see poem The Plate of Gold, page number 57. One day there fell in great Benares temple court a wondrous plate of gold, whereon these words were writ: to him who loved best, a gift from heaven. Thereat the priest made proclamation at the midday hour. Each day let those assemble who for virtue deem their right to heaven's gift the best, and we will hear the deeds of mercy done and so adjudge. Okay, now listen here. One day there fell in great Benares. Actually, Benares means a holy city in Uttar Pradesh. One day there fell in great Benares, a holy city in Uttar Pradesh, where temple court means a place dedicated to the service or worship of God. Temple court, a wondrous plate of gold. Wondrous means wonderful plate of gold, whereon these words were writ means written actually. Okay, written: to him who loved best, means that golden plate made up of gold, to whom they written these words: to him who loved best. Loved best means one who loves God most, a gift from heaven. Thereat means seemed or appeared. Okay, where it appeared? Benares temple court, plate of gold, and there written words: this gift for him who loved best, a gift from heaven. Okay, that gift came from heaven. Now listen again. One day a wonderful plate of gold fell in the great temple court in Benares, and there written the words: to him who loves the best, a gift from heaven. This gift for whom? To him who loves the best. So that gift, golden plate, came from heaven. Okay, now see next second stanza. The priest made proclamation. Proclamation means actually public statement or announcement at the midday hour. Okay, they all assembled, and afternoon that time they made an announcement. Each day let those assemble who for virtue deem means consider, virtue means actually good work, their right to heaven's gift the best, and we will hear the deeds of mercy done. Okay, and so adjudge means declare, adjudge means here again consider or declare. Now listen. Seeing that golden plate, the priest made a public statement, means announcement, that all those who thought that they were virtuous enough to claim heaven's gift, means having full of good qualities, okay, virtuous, having full of good qualities, okay, they will what? Enough to claim heaven's gift, should assemble at midday each day. The priest would hear all the deeds of mercy done. Now, one who did the good work, okay, one who have good qualities, they all assemble at midday each day. The priest would hear all the deeds of mercy done. Now, priest, okay, priest, he hear all the deeds of mercy done, means good qualities and which good work they had done. Consider them and then declare the winner. Okay, they select them who is good, those who have good qualities. Okay, priest consider them and then they declare the winner. Okay, now see, the news ran swift as light. Okay, quickly like a light, that news spread. Okay, that priest announcement that spread quickly like a light, as fast, okay, so fast that news spread, and soon from every quarter came, quarter means here corner, every corner came nobles, nobles means honest and charitable person, and munshis, a secretary or clerk, okay, munshis, secretary or clerk, and language teacher in South Africa, munshis. In South Africa, language teachers are called munshis. Hermits, okay, hermit also came. Hermit means actually who? One who live alone, okay, silent place, alone, one who live alone, okay, wise man, hermit, okay. Now, scholars, well educated also came, and holy man, saint or person of holiness, they also came, and all renowned for gracious, renowned means famous persons, gracious or for splendid deeds, one who did good works, okay, splendid deeds, deeds means works, one who performed good, best deeds, okay. Meanwhile, at the same time, the priest in solemn means serious, council means actually group of people who are elected to govern that place, okay. Now priest along with council sat and heard, okay, they all listened carefully their good deeds, what each had done, each and every one, they listen carefully what they had done, which good job they done, that all they listen carefully, priest and other council, okay. To merit means actually quality of being good, best the gift of heaven, okay. If anyone did best work, good work, then they will get best the gift of heaven. So for a year the Clements came and went. Actually, Clements means here given meaning those who state the right to get something. Okay, means do right things. Came and went. Okay, see now this news moved as swiftly as light. Soon from every side came nobles, munshis, hermits, scholars, holy men, and all those who were famous for their gracious or splendid deeds. The priest sat together in all seriousness and heard what each one had done and who was the one most suited to receive the gift from heaven. Okay, they all gathered together and listened each and everyone's their good deed, everything. Okay, they listened properly. Now see, for a year all those who could lay claim to the plate came and went. Means no one received that heaven's gift, golden plate. That means, okay, no one received. Okay, now see, at last, after a patient weighing, actually patient means not get angry, stay calm and quietly weighing, observing and listening of the worth means value of all the priest bestowed the plate. Bestowed means presented a gift, plate of gold, on one who seemed means actually here doing something good. One who seemed means doing something good. The largest lover of the race means one who loves the human beings as well as the God. Here, whose whole estate within the year had been parted among the poor. What he did? Whose whole estate distributed his whole estate among the poor people within the year. Okay. Now see, finally, after patiently judging the worth of all the claimants, the priest presented the plate to a person who seemed to love human beings the most. Okay. Why? The person had distributed all his wealth among the poor during the year. Within a 1 year, he distributed his whole estate. To whom? Among the poor people. Okay. This man, all trembling with his joy. Actually, trembling means to shake. Okay. To shake here, to shake with his joy, happily. Why? Means gift from heaven, golden plate. Okay. He received. Okay. So, they proclaimed, announced his name. No, so. But while receiving golden plate, when low means actually used to draw attention to an interesting or amazing event. At his finger's first touch, it changed to basest lead. All stood aghast, means shocked. But when the hapless means unfortunate claimant means actually those who state the right to get something, dropped means dropped it clanging on the floor. Heaven's garden was again transformed to shining gold. Okay, garden means reward. Was again transformed means changed to shining gold. Now see, actually finally all priest presented the plate to a person who seemed to love human beings the most. This person had distributed all his wealth among the poor during the year. So they decided to give that golden plate to that man. The man, trembling with joy, came forward to take the plate. However, at the first touch of his finger, the plate turned to cheap lead. Everyone was horrified, but when the unfortunate claimant dropped it clanging to the floor. At last, that man, he dropped that plate clanging to the floor. The gift from heaven once again turned to shining gold. Now, see here one question given. Who could claim the plate of gold? The plate of gold could be claimed by whoever loved God the most. And one more question given. To whom did the priest give the plate of gold? Okay. Now listen answer. The priest gifted the plate of gold to a man who gave his whole estate within a year to the poor. Okay. And one more question given. What the magical occurrence shocked the people? Now listen. The magical occurrence when man, all trembling with joy, advanced to take the plate, it changed into lead